bald head whole shit.
Said you don't understand, but I'm losing my patience. You claim you want body,
Hey guys, and we're getting right into it. So y'all, I'm bald, as you guys can see, and we're getting right into this hairstyle. Right now we gotta blend this cap to our skin color. Y'all, I do not know how to install a wig at all, but I've seen so much YouTube videos. I believe I'm a master right now. This is a reusable wig. I done used it before, and I'm putting it on again because I waste my money on that. So yeah.
I need your body in ways that you don't understand, but I'm losing my patience. Cause we've been going over and over again, and I just wanna take you home and get right into it. No, I gotta kiss it, baby, give it to me, give it inside now. You know that I just wanna make love. Want you to scream and shout, and baby, we're not leaving it now. I'ma slow it down, cause I know speed limit. When we're moving in this town, cause I'm turning all the way up when the lights down. Why your pussy so damn good, Miss Put that booty up, baby, when I'm on. You know I'm gonna go crazy when your legs in the air. You know your pretty never get this way. You know I kinda like it when you make me work for it. You got me, got it, side up, Scott. Keep that ass in the bed, I'ma lock the door. Shake that ass like boom, chakalaka, boom, chakalaka. You don't need nobody watching us. Nobody but your eyes. Ain't nobody here but you and me. Licking your private parts, and I know you love your privacy. Yeah, you got what you already wet. You only pussy power telling me I ain't ready yet. I say fuck your bitch from fears, baby. When I make it out with tears in it, put my place in it, in a day. You know I'm here for play, fill play, everything. No, my habit don't change. I don't really give a fuck what a bitch say. You fine, baby, and it's alright. You're mine, baby. Girl, I'ma let you get crazy. Now you got me, got it, side up, Scott. Keep that ass in the bed, I'ma lock the door. Shake that ass like boom, chakalaka, boom, chakalaka. You don't need nobody else to use. Nobody but your eyes. Ain't nobody here but you and me. Licking your private parts, and I know you love your private.
Finally styling. I didn't show much of me installing the wig because baby, I'm not a professional, so I'm not gonna tell you do this, do that when I can't even do it myself. But I hope it gives scalp daddy up, dope. You know, I'm practicing makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. So but now let's get into the style, because I know I could style any hair. I know I could style my hair. I could style any hair. So now this is the actual tutorial. So I don't have this like parted out. This is the first ponytail. This is the second. So basically I just have to like slick it, to be honest. It's a very simple hairstyle. Like this is how I parted it out. Hope you can't see no tracks because we don't need no tracks showing. Red one hair wax. I don't want it to get hard, so we'll see. I should have used my hot comb first to make sure it's flat. So I hope my part is straight. I know it probably looks too wide. I gotta fix that, but I want to do these two ponytails first before fixing that. I'm gonna use some wax sticks. finish the first ponytail. Ooh, it's so high. Now we're gonna do the next one. Yo, my glasses look so crazy. You guys already know. Red one hair wax.
Don't gas, ain't even sitting silent to me. It's true fast. You know I be that right slow. Baby like bro, baby I slow. Turn your lights slow.
Yo, it's really an easy hairstyle. Like, it's not hard at all. The hardest part is probably the install, but now we're gonna straight everything. 22 bust down. Ooh, it's cute. And I still got put a bubbles in and everything, so got them in orange. But let me straight this hair right now. Let's just hope this lace is looking how it's supposed to. Hey guys, so as you guys can see, oh, they look so cute, bro. I love them. But I'm gonna go over my hair with this brush blow dryer. Then I'm gonna go over with the flat iron, you know, to get it silk. But I don't think I'm gonna do the flat iron today. But I'm gonna pass this, and if it's as flat as I want it, then I might not use a flat iron. So I'm about to spray this olive oil nourishing sheet spray just to tame any frizz away I have. So I'm not passing the flat iron because I like how it looks. Like, it's looking cute. Alright, so now let's put these bubbles on. What am I waiting for? I want to put these like clear, transparent orange one. And then I guess this solid orange.
Break my back, 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 falling out every season. Knowing some niggas I left in the beach. I just been married to double cup. I got up on me and four inside another lead. Time depends and then run it up. I gotta put the new bells inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was ducking the deep, ducking the birds, sending out the meat. All of my diamonds gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga. I will feed.
So I'm basically all done.
You claim you want